Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about Baire category properties of topological groups. First we will introduce Baire space, then we will see an interesting technique to check if a space is Baire or not, and then we will see some examples. At the end I will pose some questions, so let's start. Space X is Baire if given any sequence of open dense subset, their intersection is dense in X. For example, every complete metric space or locally compact Hausdorff space is Baire. The set of real numbers and integers is Baire, but the set of rational number is not Baire. Interestingly, the set of irrational number is Baire, but it is neither complete metric nor locally compact Hausdorff space. In case of topological group, the group structure on topology reduces our work as it is enough to check that the space is not meager. Let's move towards chalk on topological space X. So in this game there are two players named 1 and 2. Player 1 starts the game by choosing an open subset of X, say U1, and player 2 proceeds by choosing an open subset of U1, say V1. Then player 1 proceeds by choosing an open subset which sits inside V1. This way game continues. At the end, player 2 will win the game if intersection over all these subsets is non-empty. Otherwise, player 1 will be declared as a winner. Our X is chocolate if player 2 has a winning strategy. Here, by strategy, we mean a rule which tells our player which set should be played next. The strong chocolate space follows in the similar manner, but in addition, player 1 chooses the point xn in un every time, and player 2 chooses Vn which contains Xn. But how does it help us to check for the Baire space? So the answer is a space X is Baire if and only if player 1 does not have any winning strategy in chocolate game on the space X. Let's for example, a metric space X is strong chocolate if and only if it is complete, and chocolate if and only if it contains dense complete subspace. So the set of real number is strong chocolate. Now we will see some topologies, so starting with discrete and indiscrete topology. They both turns out to be strong chocolate. Here one thing to is that these two topologies makes any group into a topological group. So any group can be made into a strong chocolate space. Moving further, cofinite topology. Here we will work in two cases. First, X is countable. So in this case, we will construct a winning strategy for player 1 by choosing the open subset U minus Y for open subset U and a point Y in U. In case of uncountable, this strategy works as the winning strategy for player 2. Moving further, lower limit topology on R. So here I have constructed winning strategy for player 2 using monotone bounded sequence. This similar kind of result can be obtained for VIP topology and co-countable topology using similar techniques. So the question arises here is that we have seen that any topological group can be made into strong chocolate space. But what can you say about a topological group in general? Will it be chocolate? Will it be strong chocolate every time? And another question is that the product of chocolate space is chocolate. So what can you say about the quotient of chocolate spaces? Thank you for this video.